How to pin Instagram chat in iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin Instagram chat in iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application and you would be redirected to your home page. So what you're going to do is click on this messages icon. And once you click on your messages icon, you will be redirected to an interface like this. Now, for example, if you wish to pin this chat, now this is the chat of my friend and I wish to pin it. So there are two options and there are two ways by which you can pin the chat. The first one is that you can slide the chat to the left. For example, like this. Then these three dots will appear. So what you're going to do is just click on these three dots. And here you will be able to see an option that says pin. So just click on pin. And once you click on pin, you'll be able to see a small pin icon appear with the name of the chat. So that means that your chat has been successfully pinned and it will be on top of all other chats. And if you wish to unpin, you can just repeat the steps and click on unpin. The other way is that you can long press on the chat. And once you long press on the chat, you'll be able to see these options. So you can just click on pin over here. And here you can see that the chat has successfully pinned again. So that was basically how you can pin chats on chat on Instagram and iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.